Today, I have cracked this year's biggest YouTube scandal. She thinks you're cheating on her with Tana.
You think I would cheat on you with that? With that prostitute?
Is Elijah cheating on Christine? You said no, and the lie detector Elijah said...
Christine just said, I want to watch something like Interstellar, and then put on Cheaper by the Dozen.
I thought it was. I've never seen Interstellar, and I thought this was it. I was like, well, this is like way more.
What if you watch? What if you watch Cheaper by the Dozen all the way through?
I'm not watching Interstellar. I can't.
Do you know how many times I
It's
saw it?
an 8-hour-long movie.
It's not. Do you know how many times I saw it in theaters? Just in theaters.
Seven.
No.
Eight.
You saw it eight times in theater?
7 as a ridiculous.
I saw it 8 times because anytime someone was like, oh, I really want to go see Interstellar, I'm like, I'll go with you, let's go, because I fucking love it. And I've seen it a total of 10 times because I've watched it twice with people. Like,
why? But you already know what's going to happen.
I know, but it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so
good. Long.
But how'd you go from Interstellar to Cheaper by the Dozen?
Because I was searching and...
Sorry, what?
Nothing.
She just said that she thought that California went all the way up to Canada. And then she said, wait, there's 2 states above California? There's multiple states above California. Have you ever heard of, like, Idaho?
Dude,
Idaho
is not above.
God fucking damn it.
No, but I thought Idaho was
Utah.
the way of Utah.
What?
And it's above Utah. I know nothing about anything. Oh my god.
We know, Canada, we know.
It goes New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, California, Oregon, Washington, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey.
She's recycling the tour.
That was the most impressive thing I've ever seen.
Alabama,
Alaska, Arizona.
That's the most impressive thing you've seen her do? Have you seen her use the sword, the shotgun, of water bottle?
That was incredible.
I reeled from the 7-Eleven where Trisha paid us.
My phone! Wait, what was that? That was my phone. Shit. I just watched all these iPhone drop tests this week and now I'm very paranoid.
It's November. It's early November.
Hillary Duff. This looks like Hillary Duff's bedroom where she lives in New York and she wants to be an artist but her dad wants her to be a doctor.
What? Is that a thing?
No, I made it up.
We're unbanned from this IKEA and we're
It's
about
a
to
new
get banned
location,
again.
so technically.
Technically, we're unbanned from IKEA.
Okay.
That was a thumbnail. Ready?
So it's actually
I'm pretty sure it's not a scarf, but it's a cape.
Cruella de Gay.
Loki has a cape at work, so oh my god. What a romantic IKEA dinner, baby.
Where are my meatballs?
Then you ate them.
You got meaty balls?
A child screaming as you drag away that rug.
Valentuna.
Christine's in IKEA.
Oh my god.
it's gay friendly. It's 2 men.
Don't you know? I knew the song before Bridesmaids. I knew it before the movie.
Great.
Amari has a fucking cum face mask on. Tana's eating an ice cream cake out of the freezer. Mario's sleeping on the couch with the dog, and I'm playing with a fucking kendama.
I'm happy.
What is wrong with all of this?
We're having a good time. There's no fact pull up in the coupe. The filter that Sam's using on this song is Lil Alter Boy. Low fact. Low fact. Low fact. Low fact.
Low fact, pull up in the coupe with your man. Talking that shit, but your bitch is a fan. Skip the whole line, then I bought me a...
We finally fucking finished Ice Out Dick. Oh.
Yeah. Wait, no, one more time. Give me the crystal.
Did you just say give me the crystal? Do it one more time. This is for the vlog. This isn't for Snapchat, bitch.
I'm talking about my amethyst hoe.
Is it this fucking crystal?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Low fact, pull up in the coupe with your man. Talking that shit, but your bitch is a fan. Skip the whole line, then I bought me a Zan. Like the roll cookies, like a chef for the pan. Like, okay.
Right now.
Amari, what the fuck do you think you're doing?
Like 1, 2. You don't have to strip anymore, baby. I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna take you home with me.
Okay, the way you're talking, like, I need some lessons.
Amari, you're the studio hoe. You're the studio hoe.
I had a feeling this would happen. This always happens.
Your alternate universe you have.
Yes, perfect, exactly.
The spirit of when Hefner
You're not letting me
died,
explain the
She's
plot.
trying to explain the
you
plot.
sucked his soul so good into your mouth.
No.
You just sucked off his soul.
No.
And now he lives inside of you.
No.
I think I get it now. You don't have to
Christine!
explain it.
There is a plot that you are not letting
Oh
me
right,
discuss.
it's a Shake It Up spinoff.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I'm aware that I'm 2 days behind on daily vlogs. Not a fucking surprise. The last one was like 3 months ago, so calm the fuck down. I'm back on schedule. We were like traveling. We hosted a drag show, which is also a vlog that I filmed, so that one will be up very soon. 2 fucking different vlogs from our trip to Mari. They're both fucking really funny that are going up over this weekend. And our main channel vlogs are back. Plus, we have a music video coming out and the wedding, bitch. So there's a bunch of fucking shit that we're working on that is all coming out very, very soon. I also fully redid the playlist, like all the songs. I put on a shit ton of new ones. It's a bunch of different types of music. Today's song of the day is Two Young Lovers by Sophie Rose. You can hear it on the playlist below, which is fully redone, so check it out.
Dance around the feeling